Oh, the sorrow.
Still have a half year left. If you want to get your chicken daddy's calendar, you can find more info on coin.com. Hey,
Right.
Let's go all the way over to Vancouver and show you what it looks like so far. We have mostly cloudy skies out there, and if it looks like, gosh, it seems like it's going to rain. Yes, we could get a few sprinkles tonight, but it won't last that long and probably not likely enough to measure. Right now it is 74 degrees. So anytime between basically now, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, we could see a few sprinkles. Wind is out of the northwest now. It's 7 miles per hour. Temperatures tonight will be in the lower 60s. So we're about 10 degrees warmer than we were yesterday. So in the forecast, we were talking about this yesterday. So you're still going to see rainfall totals that are going to, let's say, be varied. We're still a few days out before we actually get to event time. So the forecast does include rain, and it could be as little as an inch total for a 3-day period, or on the top end, as much as 1.5 inches to 2 inches. So let's talk about those forecast rainfall totals. So looking at two main models for now, as we are, again, several days out from event time. Just for Friday and Saturday, we could be seeing closer to an inch or perhaps a little bit higher than that, possibly up to about 1.5 inches. Now, if we add all 3 days up, again, we could see as much as maybe 1.75 inches, putting us closer to 2 inches, or just 1.5 inches. Either way you slice it, the normal amount of rainfall we would see in a day in the month of June is only a few hundredths of an inch, just putting us under about 1/10 of an inch. So it will be an unusual amount of rain for the month of June. So let's talk about timing for all of this. So here comes our next atmospheric river. Will it pack as much of a punch by the time we get to this coming Friday? Will as much moisture be intact in this basically river in the sky? Well, at this point in time, it looks as though the highest rainfall totals are probably going to be concentrated across western Washington into Canada, leaving us with, a significant amount of rain, but not as much as our neighbors to the north. We continue on through the weekend, more rain for us Saturday and again on Sunday. So if you're planning on going to the parade, the Grand Floral Parade on Saturday, yes, we are expecting rain to continue. By Sunday night, things are starting to wrap up. But let's take a look at the rest of our forecast here. For tomorrow at the coast, we'll be in the lower 60s, possibly upper 50s, though, for Lincoln City. Definitely a mostly cloudy kind of day, and in the morning, a little bit of drizzle for you. Wind will be out of the southeast. For the afternoon tomorrow, similar to today, we'll expect the low to mid 70s overall. Mostly a dry day for us, though. A little bit of sunshine in the mix with those clouds. Wind will be out of the south, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Central Oregon, you're expecting sunshine. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Pendleton, Baker City, 75, 76. Okay, so in the Gorge, Hood River, we're expecting the low 70s, a little bit breezy for you tomorrow. Wind will be out of the west, 10 to 15, gusts up to 20, and the Dalles up to about 79. Mountain forecast does include some sunshine, and wind will be out of the west there. Government Camp up to 61. So we painted Friday and Saturday as red days. Why as red days? There are currently no advisories, watches, or warnings, but if we do get the amount of rain that is in forecast models, potentially that could put some of our rivers a little bit higher or at least running faster. So it's one of those forecasts we need you to pay attention if you're going to be recreating outside.
Yeah, that's part of our January. It's so weird because today is so warm, and then
Yes.
we have this
And
weird
then
roller
there's
coaster.
that. Yes. Okay. Hey, security camera.